Hello dear students, I am Rajkumar Vishwakarma. Now we are going to start GIAT Foundation classes class 9. In last few videos, we will explain introduction of Euclid geometry. So now in this video is next topic is inside of chapter introduction part, that is clear, and next is Euclid definition. So these are most important of us because there is Euclid definition. First, points, lines, surface, ends of lines, edge of surface, straight line and plane surface. So we will explain one by one. First is point. Point is exact position on the location. Point क्या होता है? एक exact position का exact position पर लोकेशन मतलब दिखाई देता है in place of surface. Surface in on place of surface. Surface के ऊपर. Next is line. Line. So line, you know that line is 2 point. First starting point is next is last point. So we can call line, है ना? Firstly, in a geometrical object that is straight, infinitely long and infinitely this. Clear? So line is infinitely long and infinitely this. मतलब कि ये कितनी भी लंबी और कितनी भी बड़ी हो सकती है. Next is surface. Surface. So what is surface? Surface is a which has line and which has length and breadth, है ना? So firstly we have a duster. So upper side is surface because here line, length and breadth is there. So we known as surface. Next, ends of line. Ends of line are points. मतलब कि जो जिसके दो पॉइंट एंड्स होते हैं उसको हम एंड्स ऑफ लाइन बोल सकते हैं. सपोज यहाँ पर कोई लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ किया मैंने जिसमें इनिशियल पॉइंट ये है एंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ये है, तो इसमें 2 पॉइंट्स जो रहेंगे वो आपके एंड्स पॉइंट रहेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज एज ऑफ सरफेस. एज ऑफ सरफेस. सो व्हाट इज एज ऑफ सरफेस? एज ऑफ सरफेस आर लाइन, है ना? मतलब कि जो इसकी भुजा होती है वो क्या होती है? इसकी लाइन होती है. नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो straight line, you know that is straight line. Straight line is measurement of 180 degree. So we can call straight line, है ना? Straight line जो है वो 180 डिग्री का एंगल बनाती है और इसके दो पॉइंट्स होते हैं, है ना? इस तरह से हम इसको स्ट्रेट लाइन भी बोल सकते हैं. The edge of surface are straight line. Straight line is a which eventually with the point on इट्स सेल्फ, इट्स सेल्फ, है ना। इसके जो पॉइंट होती हैं वो ही इसके स्ट्रेट लाइन को। नेक्स्ट इज प्लेन सरफेस। सो प्लेन सरफेस इज firstly plane surface is chalk box. So this part of plane surface है ना। So plane surface is which lie evenly with the straight line on the itself, है ना। इसकी स्ट्रेट लाइन जो रहती है उसी का ये रहेगा। मतलब मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दे दिया है, तो एग्जांपल के थ्रू आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं प्लेन सरफेस। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज यूक्लिड्स एक्सोम। सो यूक्लिड्स एक्सोम there are so many points. So first point is that things which are equal, the same thing are equal. Things are equal, the same things are equal, है ना। मतलब कि यहाँ पर कोई एक पॉइंट है, A और C आपस में इक्वल है, एंड B and C are equal, so then A is equals to B. Clear? A is equals to B. Firstly, इसका you make equation first and second. So compare on it equation first and second. So left hand side or right hand side you can see C. Right hand sides are equal, so also left hand side are equal, so A is equals to B. Next, if equal are added to equal whole are equal. If are added, है ना। यदि कोई आपके पास में ABCD जो नंबर हैं उनको यदि आप ऐड कर देते हैं, है ना। सपोज A is equals to B and C is equals to D, so A plus C and D plus D are also we get whole number. Here A, B, C, D are same kind of thing. Next is third, if equal are subtract from equal are remainders are equal, है ना। So if subtract from the equal, so remainder are we get same, है ना। Fourth is the things which have considered with another are equal. Next is the whole is greater than the part if A greater than B. This is A greater than B, then there are exits C such that A is equals to B plus C. A is equals to B plus C. Next is things which are doubled. Things which are doubled, है ना। So the same things are equal, है ना। So things are equal to another. I hope are you understand. Next video, next concept is Euclid's postulate. So just wait. Thank you.